So this is my home remedy for body's cough. So I have honey, lemon, and hot water. So simply just mix all the ingredients. It depends on the size of your dog. So mine is like small dog, so I got a little honey. I squeeze a bit of lemon. Then I pour a little hot water, just a little. Okay. And then you stir and mix the ingredients. So for me, I have these drops. This used to be his supplement because it's now empty. I pour some of the mixture inside and then just use the drop. It's easier for me to give it to him.